Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine.
How are you, ma'am?
I am fine. Are you tired of division?
No, ma'am.
No. Is it interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, children,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So, children, till our last year, we know how to divide with a single digit divisor. Now, what we have learned? We have learned how to divide with two digit numbers. Yes.
Divisibility
And
rules.
then two
Yes,
digit
ma'am.
okay, two digit numbers. We don't know the tables. So what you'll do, you will write the tables by multiplying on the side. Then it will be easy for you to do division. Yes. And we
Yes,
also
ma'am.
studied the divisibility rules. So without actually dividing, we can check whether it is possible to divide by 2, 3, 4. That is interesting. Yes.
Yes,
Without
ma'am.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
without actually dividing, looking at the digits of the numbers, the last digit or the sum of the digits, we can say whether that number is exactly divisible without
And there will be no any reminder.
without leaving any remainder. Okay, all the numbers we can divide, but if there is some remainder other than 0, if the remainder is 0, then we can say that is divisible by which number is given, like 2 or 3 or like that. Okay, so if we can divide completely or divide without any remainder, that is meant by divisible. Okay. So after your word problems, we will check whether this number can be divided by 2. What we will do? We will not divide. We will use the rules of divisibility.
Divisible.
Okay. Use the rules for divisibility. What do you mean by divisible? Divisible means when we divide, there will not be any remainder. Okay. There will not be any remainder. Okay. So children, Tania, can you hear? Yes, Tania.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read question number 16? 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Who is asking me?
Ma'am, did you call me?
Yeah.
Ma'am, did you call me? 15th question, that correctness I have done.
Children, I am not able to hear 2, 3 children saying to the.
Ma'am,
Somebody was calling me.
corrections.
Okay, 15. Yes, Angelina, we discussed that. That was correct. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
who is calling?
15th question, that check the correctness of the division. I have done it.
Okay. Okay. So you got corrected dividend. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tanya is going. All the children. Okay. We will wait. Otherwise, when she is reading, I will not be able to hear. Tanya, please unmute. Okay, Tanya. Please unmute.
I am unmuted.
Okay. Can you read?
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
number 16.
Divide 80,432 divided by 16.
Yes.
Check the correctness of division.
Okay. Check the correctness of division. So first what we have to do, you have to divide. Okay. Rohit, can you please unmute? Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
How we can check our division is correct or wrong? Check the correctness. What we have to do?
Multiplying dividend and the quotient plus the remainder.
Multiply what? Quotient and
Divisor.
divisor. Okay. Multiply quotient and divisor plus
Plus remainder.
remainder. If you are getting dividend, that means our division is correct. So children, can we do together? You can start. Question number 16. Question number 16 we are going to do. So what is that one? 80,432 divided by 16. Question number 16 and the divisor also 16. Okay, Ayman, can you please unmute, Ayman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we have to do, you have to start with tables. Okay, 16.
16 into 1, 16.
16 into 1 is 16.
16.
Then 16 into 2,
32.
32.
48.
16 into 3, 48. 16 into 4,
4.
6 into 4, 24.
And
Carry 2. Then 4 into 1, 4 plus 2. What's the answer?
4.
64, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Next
next
one.
one, 16 into 5.
9 into 5, 80.
5 into 6, it's 30. 3, then 1 into 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So the answer is 80. Okay, so shall we start? Because we first 2 digits, how we will do? We will take the first 2 digits here and we will check whether the first 2 digits of the dividend, are they equal, less than, or greater than? Okay, Daniel. 1 minute. Some videos, when I am checking, it's not. Adil, can you please unmute? Can we do that question, Adil? Yes. So, we will take the first 2 digits. Okay? And check the table. Which number you can take? Is there any 80 in the multiplication table? Where is Adil? Okay, Angelina, please unmute. Yes, Angelina, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See the tables and tell me 16 multiplied by which number is 80?
5.
5. Okay, 16 into 5 is 80. Then 18
Minus
8, that is 0.
0.
So bring down 4.
4.
Okay. Can you divide 4 by 6?
No, ma'am.
No. So what do you have to do? You have
We
to
should
keep
put a
same
0.
one 0. Very good. Then you can bring down
Bring down.
another that second number also. Now
Then-
please check 43. That is there in the table.
No, ma'am.
So which one we will take?
52.
32. 16 multiplied by 2, that is 32.
32.
Okay. 16 into 2, that is 32. Okay. Then
Minus, we should minus.
3 minus 2,
1.
1. 4 minus 3, 1.
1.
Now check whether 11, can you divide by 16? No,
No.
11 is small. So what do you have to do? You have to bring
Down 2.
next number. So 16 into 5, we have written only till 80. So you have to continue the table. 16 times 6. Can you say
96.
6?
96. 96.
6 into 6, 36. 3. Then carry over 6 into 1, that is 96. Okay.
96.
Now 16
The
into
next one,
7.
112. 1.
Okay. 100.
112. 112, ma'am.
112.
So,
Okay.
ma'am,
So how many
so-
times you can divide?
Ma'am,
7.
7.
Okay. 16 into 7. That is 112.
And then 12.
So when you
Minus
do that, remainder is 0.
0.
0. Remainder is 0.
0.
Okay. So we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
do check.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do check?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you have to do?
We should divide 5027 by 16.
So children, you can write that step, check
Multiply.
that formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Then find out that whether you get the dividend. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the side we have to write the correctness.
You have placed down.
Man, down I don't have.
Down, if you don't have place, you can write on the side. Okay. So how will I write? I will write check, because the question is to check the correctness of. So the formula we can write, dividend should be equal to, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor. Quotient. Can write the full spelling, or if you write Q is also okay. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. So what is quotient? Which is the answer you got?
5027.
Okay,
And 27.
5027 multiplied by. Okay, Alok, which is the divisor? Can you tell me? Alok? Divisor is
16.
16. Yes? What's that? 16. Okay, multiplied 5026 multiplied by 16, and the remainder is what? 0. Remainder is 0. So children, when you multiply 5027 into 16, you should get our dividend, because
Dividend.
our remainder is 0.
Ma'am, can we do it as vertical way?
5026 into 16, you can do vertically only. Okay, I have not written here the answer. So children, multiply and check whether you will get the dividend as 80,432. The product.
Yes, ma'am. We got the answer.
Did you got the answer?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
get?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when you multiply,
ma'am.
okay.
Share
So
the
when you
screen,
multiply
please. My
5027 multiplied by 16, if you got 80,432, that means our division is correct. Anusri, finished?
Ma'am.
The division is correct. Did you get the dividend? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, can you share the screen? Ma'am, I did not finish.
so 5027 into 16, you got 80,432. And you know the remainder is 0. So our division 80432. This is our question. So our answer is correct. That means we have
Ma'am,
checked.
did you share the screen?
Yes. I have
Ma'am, I
shared the
cannot see the screen. Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Ma'am, we can
Ma'am, I
see the
mean.
screen.
I think there is some network problem for you, because please check one more time. I will do one more time. Okay.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Yes, check Ayman. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Ma'am, now I can see.
Okay, okay. Okay, children, ready? Who is going to read? Manu, please
Ma'am,
read
can-
next question. Manu, please read 1 minute, okay? Please
Ma'am.
wait. Manu, unmute. Unmute. Manu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And read which question? Tell me number
17.
17. Okay.
Rohit has 2,503 marbles. He wants to divide them in 3 groups.
In groups of 3 and 6. Yes.
A group of 3 and 6 exactly.
Hmm.
Check if he can do so.
Okay, children, that question is Rohit has, it's with our Rohit, that marbles? Yes? Okay, so Rohit has 2503 marbles. He wants to divide them in groups of 3 and 6. He wants to give to his friends, but how he will give? He will give either 3 or 6. And he want to know whether there will be some marbles left out or that is remaining. Check if he can do so. Okay. So what you have to do is you don't need to divide. What you have to do? You have to use divisibility rules. Okay, Agni, tell me how you can check the correctness of this number or this 2503 is exactly divisible by 3 or 6. What do you have to do? Tell me first about 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3?
We should sum the digits.
Add the digits. What are the digits here? 2 plus 5 plus 3. What is the answer? 2
Equal
plus
to
5?
10.
7 plus 3? 10. Can you divide by 3? Number 10, can you divide by 3?
No.
No. We know in our multiplication table of 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. There is not 10 in the table of 3. That means this Rohit cannot give in groups of 3. Okay. Now, Isha, can you please check whether Rohit can give us 6 marbles? What is the
No.
divisibility rule for 6?
We should check the number if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Look at the last digit here. That is 3. Can we divide by 2?
We can divide this number by 2.
We cannot divide. Why? Because that is 3 is odd number. The last digit. The last digit 3 is not an even number. And Agni already told that we cannot divide that by 3. That means we cannot divide this by either 2 or 3. And this Rohit is happy now because he don't want to give to anyone. Because we cannot give in like 3 or we cannot make that into 6 group also. Okay. So children, what do you have to do? I will send the notes because you have to write little more. Okay. So what is the first step? We will write the number. This is long answer question. Yes, or we have more lines. This is apply short answer questions, but we have to write all that in detail. How we can write first the number of marbles with Rohit. Okay. How many marbles is there with Rohit? That is
2503.
Okay. Now what we had to check whether it is divisible by 3 and 6.
6.
Okay. Looking at the number, we can see the last digit, that is ones place. It's an odd number. That means it cannot be divided by 2. Okay. Understood?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
also when we added the digits, 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. And we cannot, that is 10 is not divisible by 3. So that means that number 2503 is not divisible by 2 and 3. So this is not divisible by 6. Okay. So the number cannot be exactly divisible by 6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, can we do the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Because here you understood that question.
Ma'am,
by
this
looking-
question you will send the notes.
Yes, I will send the notes.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So children, here actually without dividing, you have to check whether this can be divisible by 2 or 3, like that. It's not needed. It is not needed to divide. By looking at the number itself, you have to tell that whether it is divisible.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you talk loudly because here it is raining. That's why I can't hear you properly.
If I say louder, it will be okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Connection problem?
Ma'am, here it is raining.
That's why. Okay.
Ma'am,
Usually, when in some classes they are saying, "Ma'am, can you speak slow?" Means little. Can you reduce your voice because this is more sound? Some class they will say like that. 4A, some people used to tell me, "Ma'am, you are speaking so loud." Okay, Manu, I will try to speak louder. Okay, question number 18. Who is going to read? Adinad. Please read question number 18.
Rupees 7,893 is distributed equally among 9 people. Check
Okay.
if any amount is left
Is left
over.
over. If any amount is left over means that number is not exactly divisible. Okay. So here also we are not using division method to check whether there will be remainder. What we are going to do, we are going to use divisibility rule. Okay. So divisibility rule for 9. Who can tell me? Agnay, I have given chance now. So anyone, Dia, please unmute and speak, Dia. Some children's video, it's like not, means looking at their face, we can see there is some connection problem. That's why I'm not calling some children. Now look at Dia, it's like video is stuck. Dia, can you hear me, Dia? Can you please unmute? Dia, can you please unmute? Okay, Ammu. Ammu, please try.
Ma'am,
Okay.
sum of
Who is telling? Ammu is telling
divisible.
sum of the digits?
Yes, ma'am.
Sum of the digits?
Divisible by
If the
Must
sum
be
of the
divisible
digits
by-
is divisible by 9, that means the given number is divisible by 9. Yes? Okay. So children, what you have to do? You have to add the digits and check whether that is number is there in the multiplication table of 9. Madhav, please add the digits. Madhav. What is the number? 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 3. Madhav, please unmute. Okay. Oh, again, one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What we have to do to check whether the given number is divisible by 9? What do you have to do? You have to add the digits and check that is divisible by 9. Okay. 7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8? 7 plus 8? Seven plus 8.
16.
Use double. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1. What is that? 15. Okay. Now 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9. 15 plus 10 is 25. So 1 is less. So 25 minus 1. You can use like that mental addition. Okay. Then you can be faster. So that is 24. Okay. Now 24 plus 3. Madhav, 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 this much time. 24 plus 3. After 24, you have to count 3 more. 25, 26, 27. Okay. 27. Now tell me 27 is divisible by 9. Madhav is saying the answer. Okay. Is 27 is there in the table of 9?
27.
Is a multiple of 9. Can we divide 27 by 9? Yes. Okay. 9 into 3 is 27. Okay. 9 into 3 is 27. That means the given number is divisible by 9. Understood, children? What do you have to do? You have to add the number of digits. And if you add the number of digits, you got which number? 27. And 27 is what? 9 times 3. Yes, 9 times 3 is 27. That means we can distribute this to 9 people. Okay. So if you're anybody is having some money like 7,893, if your father or mother want to divide that into distribute that into 9 people. So how much money each they will get without remainder? We can divide that number. Okay. So what do you mean by divisibility? Divisibility means we can divide that number without any remainder. So here, when we add the digits, we got the number as 27. That means 9 into 3 is 27. That means that is divisible by 9. Okay. So that given amount, 7,893, can be distributed equally among 9 people. Okay, children, is there any doubt regarding this question?
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have a doubt.
Anandesh. 1 minute. Okay, all of others,
Ma'am,
please
in the
mute Anandesh.
divisibility
Yes.
rules. Ma'am, in the divisibility rules.
Huh?
In the divisibility rules,
In the divisibility rules?
if the last two numbers should be zero, then we can divide it by 4.
Yes. Yes.
Both of them should be zero, or one only should be
Both
zero.
of them. Because we are checking the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits, either it should be a multiple of 4. Means either it should be in the table of 4, or the last 2 digits should be 0.
Ma'am,
Okay.
excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, Fia.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, this 7,893 divided by 9. Also, we will get answer.
Yes, we will get answer what? Find out the answer. Okay, that is a homework.
Okay, ma'am.
What do you have to do? What do you have to do, children? We are, without actually dividing, we just looking at the divisibility rules, we came to know that this 7,893 is divisible by 9. That means there will be no remainder. So to make it confirm, what you have to do? You have to divide and find out. What you will divide? 7,893 divided by 9.
9.
Can you do that now, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Whether we are going to get that? Yes.
Book. Now,
No, in the rough book. Because this is
And
not the
now?
question. Rough book. All of you please
and
take.
that we need to do now.
Yes, we can do that now. Because
Okay, ma'am.
now only 5 minutes, we will not be able to do other question. I will send the notes also. Okay, after this period, I will. So if you want to make it short, you can write short. Like that, we have to check the divisibility, if it is divisible by 6. So whenever I send the notes, if you want to make it little short, it's okay. Okay. So what we are going to do now, we are going to check whether this divisibility rule 4, 9, when we did the question 7,893 divide by 9. The divisibility rule says that this number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 means what? There, the remainder will be 0. Felix, can you please unmute Felix? Felix. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Felix, can we do together?
Yes,
Look at the first number 7. Can we divide 7 by
No,
9?
ma'am.
No. Yes?
Ma'am.
Why?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
7 is smaller than 9. So what do you have to do? You have to take 78. Now tell me 9 into,
1,
no need to do,
9,
we will know that. 9 into 5, what is 9 into 5?
45.
Okay, 9 into 5 is 45. We have to take till 78. And you know the table of 9. 9 into 6 is
54.
54. 9 into 7,
63.
63. Okay. 9 into 8,
72.
72. 9 into 9,
81.
81. Okay, now it's this much is enough. Okay, 78. So what we have to do here? Here we have 72 and 81. Which one can be possible? Which one we have?
72.
72. 9 into 9 times 8 is 72. Okay. 9 times 8 is 72. 8 minus 2?
6.
6. Okay, we cannot divide. So what you will do? Bring down 9,
Bring down
69. Now please check here. We have here 63, here 72. So how much we can take? We can take
63.
9 into 7 is 63. So here 9 minus 3, 6.
9
And
minus
bring
3,
down
6.
63. Look at here on the table. We have 9 into 7, 63. Again, 9 into 7, 63 minus 63. What is 63 minus 63?
0.
0. That means the given number can be divided by 9. Okay, Fia? Where's Fia? I cannot hear. See Fia here. Yes. Okay. Fia, now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That divisibility rule says that this number is divisible by 9. And we have actually divided and found out that this divisibility rule is correct. Understood, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we are going to wind up this session. Now we have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me which question we have done.
And we have done 18 questions.
Okay. So I will
18.
send the notes now. What you have to do? You have to complete, understand and write. Okay. So we are not actually dividing, but without dividing, we are using the divisibility rules to check that number is exactly divisible by the given device.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.